Greetings to all. Here in the breathtaking landscapes of Oman, it's a rare and mesmerizing sight to witness the sky adorned with clouds. Typically, the skies remain clear, offering endless stretches of blue with not a cloud in sight. But after a refreshing rain, everything changes. The rain has just cleared, leaving behind a serene and calm atmosphere. And now, we find ourselves on a scenic journey, witnessing a beautiful transformation. The once empty expanse above us is now filled with fluffy, brilliant white clouds floating against the rich, azure backdrop of the sky. It's as if nature herself has painted the heavens anew, and there's nothing quite as magical as the moments following a rainstorm here in Oman. We invite you to join us as we explore this tranquil world, to take in the stunning contrast of the deep blue sky and the soft, billowing clouds, all while embracing the peaceful, post-rain calm that fills the air. It's a perfect opportunity to pause, breathe, and truly appreciate the remarkable beauty that surrounds us. Come along and let's immerse ourselves in this breathtaking natural spectacle together. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for watching.